today because we have like 60-mile-an-hour winds this morning, and it is raining sideways currently, so I am like completely soaked. I threw my hair up. Yeah, it's just kind of floating around there, soaking wet. But anyways, I am coming at you live today because I am doing something a little bit different. So every year around Thanksgiving and Christmas, we typically do some type of community outreach or charity drive in a way to benefit our community. And this year I'm doing something different. So I was talking to one of my patients this morning about foster care. And a lot of times when kids are going into foster care, they may not really have any belongings. They may not have any clothes. They may not have coats, socks, you name it. And we live in the Midwest, and let's face it, you need a coat, you need a hat, you need gloves as you're heading into that lovely season that white stuff comes down. But the other thing too is kids that do have belongings typically have to transport their belongings between foster care homes and facilities in a garbage bag, which just doesn't really feel good. And that's really not the best that we can do. So this year in the month of November, we are going to be doing a coat drive. So any coats or outerwear that you have, so hats, gloves, scarves, whatever you got, that is in good condition, we are going to be taking donations for Camelot Cares Foster Care. And they have a shopping room, is what they call it, that has a ton of clothes inside. Typically, they have coats, gloves, hats, shoes. They're always looking for donations. A lot of times, in order to restock that store, they typically will go into garage sales or even into like Goodwill and things like that, just to be able to make sure that they have clothes for kids that are in the foster care system and need some help. Now, we are looking for all sizes. So they do have babies and kiddos, but they also have adults up to 21 that are trying to kind of get started and maybe need some extra help. So we are taking donations all month long in November of coats, jackets, hats, scarves, gloves, whatever you've got that is in good condition. I'll be collecting those donations in my office. So Freedom Chiropractic and Holistic Health in the Metro Center in Peoria, Illinois. We are right next to Peoria Camera Shop and 50s Diner. So we'll be taking those donations all month in November. And then for December, instead of doing a toy drive this year, we are going to be doing a luggage drive. So we're going to be collecting backpacks, duffel bags, luggage. If you have large like overnight bags or things like that that they could use to put some of their things in, we'll be taking donations of that as well. Toiletry bags are another thing. So a lot of times, if they need a toothbrush and toothpaste and they don't have anywhere to put it, a lot of times if they've got all their clothes and shoes, those get dirty. So toiletry bags would also be appreciated. So in November, we're doing a coat and outerwear drive. And then December, we're going to be doing a luggage backpack / toiletry bag drive. So stop in, drop off your stuff. And I'm super excited to be able to give back to our community here in Peoria this year with something a little bit different. So if you have any questions or want to find out how you can help more, Camelot Cares, you can contact them. They have a couple people that are kind of assisting with this. Taylor is my biggest contact that I was talking with this morning about this, and they are super excited that we're going to be doing this year. So Taylor, I will be sending you an email and a flyer with more information about that, but we also have flyers in my office. So if you know anybody or want to help spread the word, like I said, November coat drive, December luggage drive, we have flyers in the office for that. And the name of the facility is Camelot Cares. It is for foster care. And I will have more information coming about that as I talk with Taylor. Have a great rest of your day.